Okay. Okay, so we made it.
Finally.
Finally, after a lot of thousands of tries of.
And we have tied our penises together. We
I
are united.
I think that is in my ass. Okay, you there and me there. Okay, so
Wait, 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 wait.
jump for it. Okay, now you release it and then you.
Oh, momentum. Wait, momentum. Dude, you have a strong one.
Oh my god. Okay, now me.
Don't do this.
Wee.
Don't do this.
Oh,
Ow. Oh. Oh.
your dick is.
It's so sore. Wee.
And
Oh.
now me. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh my balls. Oh my balls. Okay,
Ouch.
now we can go.
Okay, that was bad. That was not good. That was bad. Oh.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Yeah, yeah, I'm pretty sure that after you see this video, you will think it's funny to tie your dick to someone else's dick and then swing on it.
Okay. Oh, now we must jump.
Okay.
Why? Oh my god!
You.
Son of a bitch.
No, you must get up there. Get up there.
And then.
And then I must.
Okay, okay. Now.
Yay!
Oh, I'm so powerful.
Yeah,
in my,
carry me, carry me, carry me.
in my.
I'm just hanging there like, yeah, sure.
You're hanging in your dick, and I'm hanging you with my dick.
We. Oh,
Come on!
sorry.
I can't take it anymore. I will have an orgasm.
What the heck, dude?
Okay, now me.
No. No me.
Now. No,
Now we are
no
going
one.
up.
Yeah.
No, no one. Can someone please cut this? I cannot.
Yes, you can. No.
God damn it!
Oh fuck.
You are too
Oh
heavy.
no. Wait, wait.
After many more tries, the story was still boring.
Yeah, and we are still having.
We are still tied together. We are tied as one.
one
I
dick.
cannot find more balance than this.
Yeah.
This is called brotherly love.
Yeah. Love. Okay. Oh, so.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Going.
I'm falling.
God. Oh, you will need to hang on to that.
No, you will. Whoa. Oh. Oh.
Feel the power. Feel the burn.
It burns.
Feel the burn.
What? Whoa.
Feel the burn.
What the?
I thought
So
you.
earlier.
I thought you grabbed it.
That was she said.
God.
Okay, no, I will carry you. Wait,
No.
wait. Stay
No.
down.
No.
Okay.
No. At least if I have this thing tied to me, you son of a.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
I'm not moving.
Yeah, sure. Real life.
I'm going to drag you.
The game is very realistic.
I'm going to drag you.
Okay.
Wait,
Come on.
my control key is dead. Oh, it's back. It's back. Okay. Jump. Jump. Jump.
No, now you can hang. Okay. Stop.
Okay, let's give him
An orgasm or what?
a little something to think about.
Joy.
Yup.
Leroy.
Yup. Yup.
Okay, hang on there. Oh, oops.
You are doing this on purpose. You are really doing this on purpose. Got it.
No!
God damn! I released the key. Okay, two hands. I'm going to play with two hands.
Again, after many.
We are putting too many cuts in this. Too much editing.
Oh fuck. Okay, this way, this way.
I'm going to climb here, then here,
Okay, now
then
jump
here,
and
then here. Now you go, you ballet over there.
on your dick.
Yep. Go up, up. Okay, now me. I'm going to swing
With swag.
with swag. Now you swing up there. Oh wait, no, 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 no. Grab onto something. Trust me, grab something. Okay.
Oh
good.
yeah. Okay, jump.
We wait.
If you fall, I will. Okay, now.
Okay.
Whoa!
No, no, no.
Oh,
God,
damn it!
why you do this? Why you do this? Why did you do that? Now I'm limp. I have a.
Ow!
No, get. I have a sore dick now.
I don't think so.
Up,
Yeah.
up, and away. A few more swings. Yeah. Wait. Up here. Up here.
Now me.
No.
No, 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 no.
Wait. Now you. Now you.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, wait, I can grab this.
Okay, now get up. Get up. Now go up.
Okay. That way. This way.
No, that way.
No, this way.
No, that way.
This way.
That way.
Okay, that.
I saw an open window in a what you call it, a sex dungeon. Wait,
Told ya.
not this way.
Motherfucker. You son of a bitch.
Okay, so
Whoa.
the plank.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Let's plank, dude.
What the fuck? Okay, let's rotate the camera.
Oh wait,
come on.
this way. Okay.
Again.
I'm going there.
No,
Yeah.
you must go in the other part. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Wait! Don't jump further.
Are you?
Whoa! Sorry.
Do you hear something?
Yeah. Maybe it's just the wind. Maybe it's just the wind.
Yeah, the wind.
Okay, go up. Up. And away!
That's not the wind.
That's totally the wind.
Come on.
Got it. Okay. Trust me, that's totally the wind. Wait. Wait. Oh, cutscene?
Whoa.
Okay, this. Oh crap. We are tied together, aren't we? Okay, come this way. Come this way.
Okay. Oh, I can jump. Okay, I can jump.
Can you?
Yes. I can't jump.
No. Okay. I'm gonna guide you. Now you go there. Okay.
Don't fool me.
Okay. Now upstairs.
Upstairs. That's. Oh,
This place is going down.
you look at the size of the stairs. Come on, jump.
Yeah, there might be some.
Okay. Hop here at the window.
Oh, we are flying now. We are birds.
Oh.
Okay. Up.
And we go. And we go.
Up.
And whoa.
Okay, go.
Bananas.
Go. You will have to grab that.
Yeah. What the fuck is that noise?
Trust me, it's just the wind.
Okay.
Okay, oh, not. Okay, this key and go.
Where?
Grab that. Grab that back.
No.
Grab that back.
Yeah. Up. Okay.
And
Cinematic.
cinematic. Okay, so how do we get there?
We're very strong.
Oh, thank God!
Umba.
I can feel the relief.
Uh, yeah.
See?
Otto.
Even I tell you, it's just the wind.
Yeah, the scene thinks that it's just the wind.
Yep, it's just the wind.
Okay, it's just the wind.
Yep. Are we entering the sex dungeon? Oh, it was a bird cage, not a sex dungeon.
What?
Are those rats? Well, let's save the rats.
Here lives the giant.
No.
Oh.
Why would you think that?
Nah. Okay, where? Okay, here,
Yep.
here.
Yep.
Up here, up
The
here.
pillow is soft. Okay, not going down. Here. Whoa, look at me.
Look at me, mom. I'm bigger now.
I'm big.
No, I'm not bigger.
I'm big. Okay, so oh, up there.
Oh.
We need to release the rats.
It's not a rat. It's a.
Wait,
It's a bird with. What?
it's a rat bird. Oh, I have an idea. Wait,
I can't, so you can.
oh, I can go through that.
Yes.
Move out of the way. Okay, I'm going. Hardcore parkour.
I'm going to the bird.
Yeah, check if
Hey, are you okay? Hey.
that's not a bird. Trust me,
It's a bird.
it's evil.
Hey, you evil bird.
And that
Oh, it's so cute.
I
He's
s-
sleeping.
I swear to God, that's not a bird.
Oh no, you must catch that. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, now. Oh,
Bless you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, I must catch you.
Grab me.
Naya.
What the fuck? That jump.
That jump though.
Come on, bird.
I told you it's
Oh.
not a bird.
Hello.
He has something. Look, blood. A lot of blood.
It's
It's a cat.
It's a griffin.
It's a griffin.
Yep. Let's speak to it.
Dahi. Da.
Can you fly?
Show him the that.
Yeah. Oh, his wing is cut. Oh.
No.
Wait. He's going to fly us. And those are bloodstains because this giant thingy tried apparently to combine a bird with a mammal and succeeded in doing that thing.
He looks like a cat.
He has the face of an owl. Be free, you freak of nature.
Creature.
You
Oh,
Yep.
Oh.
Too many experiments, dude. I told you before, you can't save them all.
A feather, but I can save the feather. Memorial. His feather.
You can't save them all.
Now. Oh. Oh, memorial.
Memory.
Memories. Now, folks, just close your eyes and relax.
No, open your eyes and look at a
For God's sake.
cinematic.
No, just chill out.
Don't you dare.
Everything but don't close the video.
Yeah.
Don't close the video.
You do want to know what comes up next. Okay, so next we are moving on.
Okay. We can
This
go
game-
faster.
This game is full of life lessons, dude. When people die, they just go. You
Yeah.
just have to learn how to let
Whoa.
go.
Cinematic. Is there? Look, look, look there.
Yeah. That might be a giant. Or a statue.
Or a giant.
Can we kill him?
I think, yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, kill the giant.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay.
Isn't this Skyrim?
No, you can play Skyrim multiplayer. Oh my god, my FPS. Come on, what the fuck?
Okay.
Okay, it's a giant, but it's dead. And what the fuck is
Was
there?
Oh, more giants. Oh, come on. We have missed the war? Oh, man.
One arrow and you will die. So
This guy has an arrow to the knee. Look at the
the
down.
knee, he has one in the heart or two.
No, 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 no. Look at this down arrow. It's straight to the knee.
Okay, blood, 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 blood. Oh,
A foot.
that smell.
I got a sniffles. Touch him.
Okay.
Move your hand.
Ugly, that bastard.
Maybe it's a she, dude. Don't hate.
She. It's a she in the war.
Yeah.
Whoa, that
Haven't-
sword.
Haven't you seen women in the war? You think women can't fight?
Oh.
Okay, that's water.
Yeah. 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 Wait.
Whee!
Never mind. Yeah, you can swim. Yeah. Come on, catch.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Yes, I can. Look at me, I'm swimming.
Yeah, I can see that. You're swimming, my friend.
I'm swimming so hard right now. Let's see, this way.
Okay, rotate the camera.
No, don't. Don't.
Okay, oh.
Over here. Yay!
I can go there. Yeah, at that tree.
Yep,
Look here.
yep.
Come on, jump. Come on. Oh.
Please. Grab me.
No.
Grab me.
No.
Grab me.
Just a second. I can't grab you. Go. Okay. That's good. That's good. Oh.
Okay, come on.
That's better. Dead forest. This is a dead forest. Oh.
Yeah, full of death. That magnificent beard, though. Oh wait, go. Grab onto the arrow. Grab onto the arrow. Okay.
Oh.
Look, you just gotta grab it and hold it. Bye, dude.
Bye.
Bye, dude. See you in hell, sucker.
No, we are going to the.
That sword, though. And going back to it, you think women can't fight? You think women can't
Yes, they can.
can't be in a war?
Wait. The blood is still. Look, that guy still has blood, so the war.
Do you know how much time does it take for a giant to dry up of blood? You don't. I tell you, a heck lot of time because he is hella big.
Fuck. Son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on.
Push!
I'm pushing.
Chop his head off!
Oh.
Or his leg! Whatever makes you feel better.